Sciatica SOS is a guide that goes in depth on how to naturally get rid of your sciatica in 7 days or less. Sciatica is more than just a simple pain in the butt. When it strikes, it causes misery and debilitating pain that instantly downgrades your life. In researching with stretches, strengthening moves and home remedies for sciatica that you can try on your own, Glenn Johnson's Sciatica SOS is a guide that reveals the best treatment for sciatica. Click the link in the description below this video for details. He was former chronic sciatica sufferer. Glenn's sciatica had gotten so severe that his legs would lock up in fits of excruciating pain. Due to his debilitating sciatica, he wasn't able to go outside and play catch with his boy. All he could do was lay helplessly and painfully on the floor. He went straight to the doctor to see if his sciatica could be cured. Right away the doctor prescribed some pain medications and told him to get in touch with a chiropractor for adjustments. So, like a good patient, he did just that. Despite experiencing only the minor temporary relief, this doctor prescribed cocktail of analgesics, muscle relaxants and non-steroidal anti-inflammatories only left Glenn suffering with endless stomach cramps and diarrhea. To add insult to injury, while he was at the chiropractor, his sciatic pains often flared up right during the session, and more often than not, he'd walk out feeling worse, not better. So after 2 years of this nonsense, Glenn decided to quit all the medications and the chiropractor's tortures which were giving him no improvements. He yearned to find a more natural way to get rid of his sciatica once and for all. Fate had it that Glenn's wife Joanna invited Shea, an older Nepalese friend who apparently used to be a healer back in Nepal, and she brought over some special healing tea that according to Glenn got rid of the terrible stiffness in his legs in just 15 minutes. The tea made him very relaxed, blissful and pain-free that he started to question the past 2 years of empty promises from Western medicine and big pharmaceuticals. This old healer revealed that this special tea was a 2,000-year-old remedy used by her ancestor. She told him to repeat taking the tea for the next few days, and within a week, all of his pain was gone. All he did was follow Shea's orders, and in a matter of 5 days his pain and stiffness seemed to evaporate out of his body. Glenn was able to spring out of bed and easily go down the stairs. He was also able to finally play ball with his son, and he surprised his whole family by going out on his own to do the grocery shopping. He had finally discovered a way how to cure sciatica. That's where he came up with Sciatica SOS. Click the link in the description below this video for details.